Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make one of these color changing spiders. They're really easy to make. I actually ran out of spiders, so I'm going to do a fly. Same thing. What you're going to do is get your magic paint. You're going to get a sponge or a brush. I prefer sponges. And you're just going to cover the black surfaces. You have to use a black surface with this. And you will let it dry. You do 2 to 3 coats. And then once it dries, it's magic. It'll change color depending on the temperature and all that good stuff. All right? If you want, you can add a little clear coat to it just to keep it on there extra long, and that's it. You're done.